Good morning, students. I wish you are enjoying your day and let us enjoy some of the mathematics in this class. I'm going to solve one problem on quadratic equations with you, and at the same time, I'm going to give you certain hints as well as I'm going to show you how to present your problem very systematically in the exam. So let me open this problem on the board. As you can see here, this is one of the questions from the past paper that we'll discuss here. Now, the first thing that I'm going to tell you is read the problem very carefully in the exam and mark the important words that you find in that problem. So keep one pencil in the hand. Here, since I have the highlighter, I'm going to highlight the important words. But as far as possible, don't use the highlighter on your paper. So now, let us read this problem very carefully. Given that the equation kx square plus 12x plus k is equal to 0, where k is a positive constant, has equal roots. So these words are important. It is given that k is a positive constant and as well as the roots of this quadratic equation are equal. So let us start this solution. So your first step here will be, we'll compare the given quadratic equation with the standard form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of the quadratic equation. So a is the coefficient of x square here, that is a is equal to k. Then b is the coefficient of x, that is b is equal to 12. And c is the constant term in the equation, that is c is equal to k. Now you have already studied about the roots of the quadratic equations, the formula for the roots of the quadratic equation, and in the formula for the roots of the quadratic equation, we have studied about the discriminant. Now, what is the discriminant of the quadratic equation? That is b square minus 4ac. And since it is given that the quadratic equation has equal roots, this discriminant is equal to 0, since the roots of the quadratic equation are equal. When the roots of the quadratic equation are equal, the discriminant of the quadratic will be 0. That means b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0. Now substitute the values. B square, that is 12 square, minus 4. A is k and C is k. That is equal to 0. So 12 square, that is 144 minus 4. K into k is k square is equal to 0, which gives 4k square is equal to 144, or that is k square is equal to 144 divided by 4. So k square will be 36. Now if k square is 36, k will be plus or minus 6. But clearly it is said that the roots of the quadratic equation are, it is clearly said that the k is a positive constant. That means k should be positive 6. Since k is a positive constant. So you can see here how I have presented my solution. Every new step, I'm starting on a new line. I'm not mixing up my steps. And one more thing that I'll suggest you is at the end of the problem, just frame your final answer so that it is clearly visible to the examiner. So wish this part is clear with you. We'll meet again with some more problems. So wish you enjoy your day ahead. Bye students. Thank you.